What's up, guys? This place right here is one of the only places that I can almost guarantee you will help you calm your central nervous system regularly. The central nervous system regulation is a fancy way of saying controlling your emotions and not letting them overwhelm you and make terrible decisions and use unhealthy coping mechanisms. Central nervous system regulation. So when you're out here in the woods and I'm walking, all I hear are locusts and birds, wind. I think I can hear a road off in the distance, which, but I am as calm and relaxed as you can possibly be. I really have no emotions right now. Seems healthy, right? Right. You need to find things in your life that help you control that nervous system in a healthy way. That is not alcohol, not weed, it's not antidepressants. There are things that are natural, like nature, that can help you calm that nervous system on a regular basis. That's why I push rigorous exercise for central nervous system regulation, CNSR. That's your acronym for the day. And remember, integrity is everything.